If you know anything about me, you know of my love of essential oils and natural products and toxin-free home and eating naturally and organic foods and healthy products and getting rid of chemicals in my life. And that has been a journey of over 20 years now that I started studying aromatherapy. And so it is one of my passions to also share that with you. So this week on the blog, we're going to get into some spring cleaning, and I'm going to be sharing some DIY recipes with you, how you can make your own, how we can get rid of some chemicals. I'm going to share with you the best natural household cleaners. We're going to use really simple ingredients that you probably have at home already. Maybe you want to toss some essential oils in there if you have them, but even if not, if you have vinegar and some baking soda, you already have a good head start. So we're going to talk a little bit more about the problem with chemical cleaners and what to look for in your cleaning products when you're buying them, and really just how to get creative and make some at home. If you want to save money, if you want to be a little bit healthier in your cleaning products, then this blog will be helpful. Now, on the blog, there's also an opportunity to download an entire cleaning recipe guide. I'm going to give you a bunch of recipes that you can use to get started on your spring cleaning at home. So make sure you check that out as well. I hope you enjoy this. Head on over to the blog, leave a comment on there. Let me know which ones you're going to try. And it's time for all of us to get into some spring cleaning. So go dive in and let me know how it goes.